Hi, besties. I hope you guys are all good. I'm good. Thank you so much for the support so far. Thank you for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting, for sharing, and every other way you've supported my content. I truly appreciate it. I decided to get a tripod arm. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for that. Let's do this unboxing. Yay! This is what it looks like. Here's a closer view. This is where I'm going to attach my phone. This is the part where I will attach to the ring light. It is quite easy. It's very easy to attach. And you can adjust this way. You can adjust this way. You can adjust this way. And yes, your phone is weighty, of course. You can place your phone here, and if you have a sandbag, you can place your sandbag here, so it will be properly balanced, so your phone won't just keep falling. So you can use a sandbag to support this. Now let's attach the arm. See, very easy. This also helps to control the arm. If you want to lower it, if you want to raise it up, this helps you with the control. This is amazing. Let's attach the phone to it. We are nearly there. So the phone is not even so heavy. It's not pulling it down that much. I think it depends on the size of your phone. Some phones are very much heavy. I don't think I'll be needing a sandbag for this. I don't think so. And if I'm going to let the phone slide down a bit, I think it is still going to do fine, because this is very firm. It's not moving. It's not moving this way or trying to pull. This phone is not trying to pull it down completely. This makes a whole lot of sense. I don't even need a sandbag. I guess I'll be needing a sandbag if I will be using a small camera, but I'm not using that. I'm using my phone to record. I think we're good. I think we're all set up, and I'm going to try recording something with these so you see. This is what I have. This is my recording with it. This is a beautiful innovation. If you're thinking of getting this, I think you should. You're definitely going to love the experience. It's a very good one. Thank you for staying to this end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, be good, be well. Bye.